Welcome back to a brand new video. I am Y Holmes, and today is December 16th, Wednesday. And today is actually a different day. Today is the day that we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm in Pennsylvania, in the Chester County area. And today I decided that I want to vlog it because I don't know, I didn't have a video idea. I know someone out here will enjoy watching this video. So from my eyes, you can see that it's like flurrying, like a little bit, like really small flakes. I know you guys cannot see it with my terrible camera, but it's out there. You can kind of see it just a smidge, but it's out there. So when I was watching the weather yesterday, they said 1 to 2 inches per hour, so I'm going to update you on every hour and just show you how much we get and how much it progresses when it gets worse. Also, it's supposed to be snowing from now until tomorrow morning around 11 a.m. This vlog will go into tomorrow. I will talk to you guys at 1:30 because it's 12:30 now, so I'll update you guys in about an hour. Alright guys, now it is 1:30 and we take a look outside. It looks a lot different now. You can actually see the snow falling and the deck is almost fully covered. The back of the yard is almost covered. If we go to the front of the house, take a look outside in the front yard, the sidewalk is covered. The street is not really covered, and the driveway is not covered. Now we're gonna take a quick look. That's where my car is. Levi is resting up before he goes play in the snow, and my car is getting covered, and also the driveway is almost getting covered. So later in this vlog, I'm going to show you that we have a fire that we're going to start. Hard to see because not that much light. But yeah, we're going to start it later. And also we have the Christmas tree up. And we have Dylan hanging with us today for the snowstorm. I will give you guys an update at 2:30. Hopefully it'll be snowing a lot harder and heavier. And it'll be more covered outside. Alright guys, it is now 2:30 and we are down in the basement to take a look on how the snow is going. Right now, if you look at the basement window and up the steps, you can see that the grass is almost fully covered. You can still see a few specks up there. The basement steps are almost fully covered. Then the bottom is still not covered. Upstairs, outside, the driveway is fully covered, and also the street is covered. I did see a salt truck come through though, trying to lay down some salt, make sure it doesn't stick as bad. So I will give you another update at 3:30, but the snow is coming down, not in huge flakes though, but it is still considered a storm. I will update you guys at 3:30. Guys, it is 3:30 and we are in the garage. We get the snowblower ready for action. Let me just turn on the light here. Not very well, but yeah, the snowblower ready for action when it gets deeper. But let's just take a look outside. It is coming down. There's my car, it's covered. But look at this, guys. The street is covered, the driveway is covered, and it is just not going to stop until tomorrow morning. So we're expected about between 12 and 24 inches, guys. So hopefully it will not be as bad tomorrow for traveling or just driving in general. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys at 4:30 when I know for sure that you will not see any grass like you see right now. It'll be completely a white coating all around. Alright guys, it is now 4:30 and the storm is still here, still coming down pretty hard. I'm going to show you some other rooms in the house and look out them and see how heavy it really is coming down. In my brother's room, looking out, it is just, visibility is really low, but everything is covered in snow. Not see any grass. It is just very, very snowy. Now I'm going to go show you what it looks like from the center of the house. So, looks like this storm is not going to be ending anytime soon. I'll keep you guys updated for the rest of the night. So for the rest of the night, all the clips will be taken in my room. Me and Dylan are hanging out in my room watching the snowfall. We have a little spotlight outside my bedroom door, which you can watch the snowfall. But guys, it is just crazy. I'll be able to show you guys some more stuff. Maybe I might get a chance to film outside later tonight to show you the driveway and how much my car is getting covered. But I'll talk to you guys at 5:30, and also, as you guys saw, I'm staying warm by the fire downstairs. So I'll talk to you guys in an hour. Alright guys, I just got word that we are in the heavy snow right now from the news. Still falling pretty hard. I want to show you guys the driveway in my car. So guys, as of right now, it doesn't seem like the snow is about to stop or let up anytime soon. Right now I'm about to like a hour or two off. I'm gonna go eat dinner, work on the driveway, try to get that cleared, and eat dinner. So I will talk to you guys maybe around 7:30 will be the next update, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, it is now 7:30 and still very wet outside. Yeah. So I have a spotlight on outside of my bedroom window, and you look closely, you can kind of see like little crystals, or little like sparkles coming from the spotlight. So right now we're getting freezing rain and a snow mix, so it's just sleet and snow mixed together. I was watching the news earlier, and they did say that more snow is coming around 2 a.m. this morning. I'm not sure if I'll be awake for that, I might not. It all depends on when I pass out. But if I am awake, I'll try to get a shot of it. If I'm not awake, I'll just tell you. I'll update you guys in the morning. But I'm still gonna update you guys probably until midnight. If I'm not tired at midnight, then I'll try to stay awake until 2, until the snow starts back up again. But I can guarantee you it's gonna be heavy as it was earlier. And right now, I did take a ruler outside to measure, and we do have 6 inches on the ground. As I said before, we're getting 1 inch per hour. So yeah, it's piling up really quick. The road is covered. My driveway is partially covered because I did shovel and stub the driveway. So I'm glad I got most of that done, but I will do it tomorrow again to get all the snow off so I can leave on Friday to go to work. But I'll update you guys again at 8:30. Alright guys, it is 10 o'clock. I know I skipped over 8:30 and 9:30, but nothing happened. There's a little precip happening right now. I went down to measure the snow, and we are at 9 inches from just sleet and snow. It's getting pretty, not so good outside, you know. None of the roads are clear, slick travel for everyone, but you know, I'm gonna update you guys as something more eventful happens. What's up guys, it is the next day, and if you look outside, this is the final look of the fake snowstorm happened. Right now it is 11:37 in the morning. Whoa. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. Other than that, I am Wyatt Holmes. Have a nice day, stay blessed, and peace out.